Wait, stop scrolling. If you click this because of the thumbnail, good. Because in the next 5 minutes, I'm going to turn your 20-view videos into clickable machines. And at the end, I'll show you the strategy that can literally double your views.
How many times have you spent 5 hours editing, exported in 4K, uploaded proudly, and got 10 views, 20 views, less than 100 views? It's not your content. It's this. Now look at this. The big creators don't guess. They engineer clicks, and they hire designers. You open Canva, add arrows, add circles, hope. That ends today. We're building our own thumbnail factory. Step 1, Google AI Studio. Left side, click Build. You'll see Build Your Ideas with Gemini. Inside Describe Your Idea, paste the prompt I gave in the description. Click Build. Now watch this. The AI starts writing code. It's building you an app for free. You don't code, you wait. And boom. Video title field, upload photo, generate button. That's your weapon.
Now it gets more interesting. Let's say you like a viral thumbnail. There are many available on YouTube already, and you know how to download it. Go to Google search and open ChatGPT. Upload your downloaded thumbnail and type following prompt. Can you write a prompt referring to attached thumbnail to recreate this thumbnail, but replace the face with mine? Click on Send button.
Back to your AI app. Paste the prompt and title. Upload your face. Important thing here is your face should be clear, zoomed in, good lighting, transparent background if possible.
3, 2, 1. Boom. Same energy, same style. Your face. No Photoshop. Now let's level up. New video idea. How to make money online using 5 websites. Go to ChatGPT. Paste title. Ask, create a high-converting thumbnail prompt. Copy. Paste an app. Upload face. Generate. Look at that. Big, bold text. Money icons. Expression matched. High contrast. That took 8 seconds. Manual design, 40 minutes minimum.
Now let's refine it. Upload to Canva. Duplicate page. Change colors. Magic erase. Swap icons. Use magic grab. You're not designing, you're refining. Huge difference. But listen carefully. If you just copy blindly, you'll look fake. Don't copy gaming thumbnails for finance videos. Don't copy reaction thumbnails for tutorials. Context matters. Style must match topic. Now here's the part nobody talks about. Most creators upload one thumbnail and pray. Wrong. Generate 5 variations. Different expressions, different color emphasis, different text hierarchy. Upload one, check CTR. If low after a few days, change it. Test again. That alone can double views. The real hack isn't AI, it's iteration. And now you can iterate at scale. If this helped you, like the video. Comment AI thumbnails if you want the exact master prompt. And subscribe, because next, I'm showing how to automate an entire YouTube channel with AI. We don't guess, we engineer. See you in the next one.